Creating a custom QHD wallpaper in Photoshop using AI. Locate your target inspiration image. Usually these are not in 4K resolution, so we need to recreate these using AI. Right-click the source image and open it in a new tab. Right-click and then copy the image. Open Photoshop and create a new image of the resolution you want the wallpaper to be. This monitor is 3840 x 2160. You can check your resolution in settings. Now we have a blank canvas to work on. Paste in the image we copied before, using Ctrl+V or the Edit menu and paste. If you select the whole image, it will just fill it with a random selection. Using the Select tool, highlight the bottom section of the image, overlapping the pasted image slightly. Then you can select Generative Fill, and it will process some matching backgrounds for your image. Select different variations of the generated image up in the corner here until you find one that you like. Now repeat the same process as before for the other parts of the image that are missing. If it generates something you don't like or does not match correctly, you can always just delete that layer and reselect it to try again, and the generator will produce some new images to fill the area. Once you are happy with the image, you can then export it to a PNG image for use as your new high-resolution custom wallpaper. You can also try and add in other random items and see if they match the theme of the image. Just select the area you want to add the new item and describe what to add. Some of the results can be quite strange, so you will need to try different combinations until something works and fits the image theme. Just play around with the generation settings until you find something you like. For this one, I said add a cat in a palm tree, but I can't see any cats here. That one was a bit of a fail. Let's try abstract girl on a boat. Maybe that is too abstract? Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it has helped you out. Like and subscribe for more content like this.